Hello everyone. Today we'll start up with the part 2 of chapter 1, Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. In this part, we'll see the methods of maintaining capital account. You can see here there are two methods of maintaining capital account, that are fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. The Indian Partnership Act 1932 is silent on the point of adoption of specific method. The partners may themselves decide which method to adopt. If partnership deed is silent on this point, then the partnership firm has to adopt fluctuating capital method. First, we'll study the fixed capital method. You can see here two accounts are maintained under fixed capital method, that are capital account and current account. And in the second method, that is fluctuating capital method, only capital account is prepared. First, we'll see the fixed capital method in detail. Fixed capital method. Under this capital method, opening balance of capital account of a partner remains same till the end of financial year. These capital balances will change only when the partner introduces an additional capital or withdraws a part of it. Under fixed capital method, capital account and current account is prepared. You can see the format of partner's capital account. You can see the content along with it. The opening balance of capital can be seen here. Additional capital if introduced by the partner during the year. Part of the capital withdrawn by the partners during the year. And usually the partner's capital account shows the credit balance and it is shown to the liability side of balance sheet. The next is partner's current account. You can see the contents given here. You can see the contents given in partner's current account. The opening balances are shown. To the debit side, drawings, if any, made by the partners in the current accounting year, interest on the partners' drawings charged by the partners. And to the credit side, interest on the partners' capital allowed by the firm, salary, commission, rent, interest on loan, allowances, etc. payable to the partners. And then distribution of net profit and net loss of the firm. Lastly, the balances, closing balances can be shown. So that's it about partner's current account. The next is fluctuating capital method. Under this method, only partner's capital account is prepared. In the fluctuating capital method, balances on capital accounts changes every year. You can see the pro forma of partner's capital account. The initial or opening balances of capital, then to the credit side, additional capital brought in by the partners in the form of cash or kind, that is asset, salaries, commissions payable to the partners, interest payable on capital balances to the partners. You can see to the debit side, drawings made during the year and interest payable on the drawings made by the partners. Withdrawals of part of the capital by the partners, and then division and transfer of net profit and net loss of the firm. The credit balance of fluctuating capital account of the partners are recorded separately to the liability side of the balance sheet. Okay, that's it about the method of maintaining capital accounts. We'll meet in the next part with the final account. Thank you.